Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
While the child, Dhruva Maharaj, was trying to get on the lap of his father, Suruchi, his stepmother became very envious of the child, and with great pride she began to speak so as to be heard by the king himself. The king, of course, was equally affectionate toward both his sons, Uttama and Dhruva, so he had a natural inclination to take Dhruva as well as Uttama on his lap. But because of his favoritism towards his queen Suruchi, he could not welcome Dhruva Maharaj, despite his feelings. King Uttanapad's feeling was understood by Suruchi, and therefore with great pride she began to speak about the king's affection for her. This is the nature of woman. If a woman understands that her husband regards her as a favorite and is especially affectionate to her, she takes undue advantage. These symptoms are visible even in such an elevated society as the family of Swayambhuva Manu. Therefore it is concluded that the feminine nature of woman is present everywhere.